not for sure. Again, it's a Lention D555555. So let's turn this camera around and what is up, beautiful people of the world? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do another amazing product review on a pretty cool product. It is a Lention USB universal docking station, and this is what it looks like on the box. And it's gray, and it comes with a stand. It has a lot of plug-in areas. You can see right there. There we go. Yeah, so you can plug in a HDMI, a Gigabit Ethernet, a VGA, power delivery, USB, USB-C, a card reader, and an aux cord. So I am using this with my new work laptop. I switched jobs just last week, and so I have a new work laptop, and it is a ThinkPad X1 Lenovo Nano Gen #1, and so it only has two USB-C drive areas, one for the power source and the other one to, connect other things. So it's making it a little difficult to extend the display and everything like I'd like. But back to this Lention docking station, I plugged everything all in. It worked okay, except for one thing that I really dislike, is that when you plug in to the VGA and an HDMI, it only mirrors the view. It doesn't give you an extension, so you can't have three total screens. Three total screens or monitors, meaning your laptop monitor and then two other ones. Even though you have the capability of connecting to two other devices, it will not extend the display. It will only mirror it. And so that's very unfortunate, because I was really excited about this docking station. It was pretty affordable, maybe like $60. I think I bought it on eBay. So let's go check it out, and I will show you what I mean. And you'll see about the displays. So we're gonna go check it out now. Okay, so here we are in my office, and here is my ThinkPad. I have my VGA and my USB-C for the power source. That's actually my laptop charger. This Lention thingy does not come with a power source, so that's kind of unfortunate. And then over here is two USBs. I have my wireless keyboard and mouse connected to that, and then that is headphones, Logitech headphones. Oops. Excuse the mess. I gotta organize my area. Just started working in here again since my new job. But yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is, when you connect into the ThinkPad, you have to connect it into this one. This one is the power source, and then this one is to do the connection for the... Okay, so as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3 monitors. This one's the laptop. So 3 monitors. We're gonna go ahead and try to see if it will connect and boot all 3. And we'll show you what it looks like. So I do have the VGA and the HDMI over there. This one is HDMI, this one is VGA. So let's see if I can get it to do. So one other thing to note is that I'm not a real techie person, but my keyboard oftentimes will not work right away, and I think it's because of the connection from the USB-C to the docking station trying to all connect, and it just doesn't work very well sometimes. So I'm trying to find an alternative because I think it has something to do with speeds and stuff. I did a little bit of research, but not enough to quote on this video because I don't know. So if anybody can explain down in the comments why my keyboard wouldn't work right away and be delayed, please do. I would greatly appreciate it. And so what happens when my keyboard doesn't link up right away, I go to enter my password for work, and it's very specific, and then I type it wrong. So it looks good now. I'm still typing it wrong, so okay, let's try it again. Okay. All right, so let's turn this thing around and show you what's going on here. So there's one screen, and there's the other screen, and it's exactly the same. It's not extended at all, and I'll show you what I mean. If I open up a tab and I move it over here, it just mirrors the exact same thing. And then I have that one. So when you are connecting a VGA and HDMI, it will not give you a third display. I've tried it. I tried to detect it in the display settings, and it didn't work. And I thought maybe it had something to do with this thing, the whole display resolution, but I don't know enough about it to know for sure. So let's see, keep changes. Oops, now it's being weird. Okay, keep changes. Identify, it's still only identifying 1 and 2. Yeah, so it doesn't work. And so then I went back on eBay to look at where I purchased it and look at the ad to see if it says anything. And it does say that it won't work. And I didn't know that beforehand, which I was only planning to connect to one other screen when I first bought it. I actually bought it for my girlfriend so she can connect her work laptop. So it will work for 1 to extend. It just will not work for 3, and I like to have 3. So anyways, my workaround for that is to connect into the other USB-C spot, since the Lention docking station is providing power to the laptop from the one port. So I'm going to connect the other port to, I have this little special connection, which is USB-C to HDMI, and then it works with 3. So let's grab that and let's show you what I mean. What did I do with it? I just had it. Oh, here it is. So this was given to me by my job, so I'm going to go ahead and just connect this really quick, and then you'll see the 3 screens, and it works perfectly at that point. The one thing I don't like is that I have to always keep my computer here because I don't have an extra charger. So I am probably going to buy another docking station that has its own charger with it, so that I can move my computer with its charger wherever I want to go. But let me go ahead and show you those screens, and this is the workaround for the Lention docking station model D55, H as in Henry, E as in Elizabeth, A as in Apple. And I think those last few things are just for the color, but not for sure. And again, it's a Lention D555555. So let's turn this camera around and show you how my workaround works. Okay. All right, so there's one screen, two screens, two screens. It's currently being mirrored, I believe. Let's see. Yes. Oh no, it's already on extended display. You see that? Ooh, I love it. I love it when it's on extended display. We're just gonna check the settings one more time. Oh, no. That's weird. Let's open them back up. There we go. There we have it. Yeah, so 3 displays. That's how you work around. You put your HDMI here. You put your docking station here with the power source, and it will charge your computer at the same time. My overall thoughts on the docking station is that it works good if you only want to connect to 1 monitor, but if you want to connect to 2 so you can have a total of 3 displays, then it doesn't work. The other con, kind of, I don't know if it's necessarily the docking station or not, so I'm going to wait and see until I get another docking station. But the other con is the USB speed data must not be fast enough because my keyboard delays. I assume that has something to do with the docking station, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna buy a similar connection, USB-C to HDMI with a USB plug-in on it. So then it's it might be one little less connection, maybe look for a higher speed. I'm not sure what it's called. I do have an Anchor USB block, and that seemed to work pretty good. But anyways, that's a whole nother video in itself. But in this video for the Lention docking station, I would give it about a 5 out of 10, just because I was really disappointed that it couldn't just extend its display onto 3 screens and only 2. So if you like my video, if you have any questions, comments or concerns, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching my video and have a great one. Oh, please like and subscribe. Bye.